No, it should be on you. It's somebody's birthday today. My fiance's 32. Here's to the rest of your birthdays with me. Monday, September 18th.
On our way to breakfast.
Birthday breakfast.
Birthday breakfast. We're gonna figure out what we're gonna do for the rest of the day and while we're at breakfast. Took us a little longer to get out of the house.
Can't get any fresher than that. Ginger shot for the sicky boy. Of course, latte for me.
How's breakfast?
Heavy. Couldn't even finish it. It was really good.
Yeah.
Onion, bacon, cheddar, pancakes.
And I had banana, blackberry, strawberry, chocolate, peanut butter, cinnamon, yeah, pancake. It was heavy. Where are we going?
Museum plane. Where all the museums are.
So just got out of Van Gogh and then the Moco Museum. What are your thoughts?
Out of all the countries that we go to, so London, Paris, and now Amsterdam, everybody suggests that we go to a museum. But when tourists come to California, like, oh, what do you need to do?
Go to the beach.
Go to see the Golden Gate Bridge, or...
Yeah.
Like, what else? What else do you tell them to do?
You have to also remember that the history here is thousands of years.
Right.
The history in the States is at most like 250, 300 if you're stretching it. I think it's just that San Francisco doesn't really have many good museums. I mean, the MoMA in San Francisco is really good.
Yeah.
But that just reopened like a year ago. Damn, that was a year ago.
That was a year ago when we went on that date.
Our first like real date.
The U.S. hasn't owned any of their real history.
Yeah.
The colonization, the massacres of the Native Americans, slavery.
Well, we're going through that process now.
Right now. That we have not accepted any part of that history. That we'd have a slavery museum. Our history is young. And these people's histories are thousands and thousands and thousands of years old. Just like when we went to London, that guy was like, "Oh, any Americans here? You don't know that. We gave you that history."
And we saw what you did with it.
So, Van Gogh, Moco Museum. Van Gogh was pretty cool. I like that it was quick.
The audio tour has two options. There's the full tour.
It was like an hour
and a half. We did the highlights tour, which was 45 minutes. 45 minutes of audio, probably about a little over an hour of actually going through the museum. Yeah. But I think it was good. It gave us enough of a backstory, enough of an insight into his thought process and his style without completely boring us to death. You still get to see everything, you just don't listen to everything.
The audio lady's voice was so soothing.
Yeah.
Van Gogh Museum was warm. I was falling asleep after that big old breakfast.
Yeah.
That was kind of hard.
Same.
So the Moco Museum had the Banksy exhibition called Laugh Now and the Salvador Dali exhibition. I didn't know Salvador Dali made sculptures.
Yeah, nor did I.
So that was something new we learned today.
And I didn't know Banksy made
non-outdoor, yeah. So now, we're gonna go drink beer.
We got into the Heineken Experience at about 4.
He got a free happy birthday mug.
I got a free happy birthday hat first that I had to wear throughout the entire thing before, at the very end, they give you a happy birthday mug, and then you can drink as
You can have endless as much beer as you wanted. If we had eaten before that, we'd probably still be drinking. We got our own personalized bottle. Now we have to find somewhere to eat. This is the first time in our whole European trip that we're having burgers. Because apparently it's huge everywhere else, but since we have burgers everywhere in the US, we don't go anywhere. What better way to spend your birthday than getting free beer at the Heineken Experience?
If you can swing it, go to Amsterdam, make sure you're there on your birthday, go to the Heineken Experience, you're going to get a lot of free beer.
Which is good for me too.
What did we do?
Bengal, Moko, and the Heineken Experience, and then we went to dinner at the Butcher, and then we had drink at the Mash, and now we just had a dessert at the Metropolitan, and now we are in the really touristy area.
Yes. And we're gonna go to the red light district.
Yes.
Because why not?
Because why not?
Thoughts about the red light district?
Interesting. Very, very interesting. We saw a transgendered prostitute.
Oh, yes. There was definitely a penis on that one. We've seen a few guys come out after doing their deed.
Like trying to look like they're not in euphoria. I'm intrigued.
We decided to go back to the Airbnb because we did multiple loops around the red light district and couldn't quite decide on whether we wanted to go to a bar or a sex show or a peep show or anything. Since we're indecisive, our only decision was to go home. We have 2 more days here though, so
no rush.
No rush indeed.